Governor a pleasant and successful stay in Manipur, bringing about positive and meaningful changes in the life of the people of Manipur during his able governance. This facility of cryogenic oxygen plant, which was inaugurated a short while from now by the Honorable Governor, will greatly enhance the capacity and capability of RIMS Imphal and the state of Manipur in the fight against the many diseases, including the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic struck the world unexpectedly. It affected lives of all the people across all the developed, underdeveloped countries. But India fought back, resulting in a high recovery rate and one of the lowest death rate in the world. India is producing the medicine for the world and making the vaccine for the world.
For the inaugural function of two 10 kiloliter liquid medical oxygen plants, and to mark another significant event in the rejuvenation of this great institution of medical sciences, the Northeast region, my heartiest congratulations to you all. I am not just here to inaugurate and open the liquid medical oxygen plants, but also to encourage you all to persuade the excellence that we all know this place is capable of. RIMS Imphal is one of the great institutions as far as health care is concerned, not only in Northeast states, but in other states of the country also. The happiest moment I felt was after entering to this campus, I was taken to a tree planted by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I was immensely happy. Such a great person has visited this place itself shows the credit of this institution. And not only that, just now they have shown me about the RIMS. The President has honored the institution. Out of the so many institutions, in the first 20 institutions, RIMS comes for some development. And not only that, Prime Minister also has spoken in praise of our RIMS. These are all the great things. I'm really happy to hear all those things. That itself is sufficient. I need not talk anything about the RIMS. Over many years, the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences has done the nation a great service by producing many young doctors and specialists to contribute to state's health care. Someone can recall that even in the early days of its establishment, Regional Medical College, RMC, first nomenclature for instance, was a highly respected healthcare institution. It will be a great relief on the part of the authorities as RIMS itself experienced untold hardship during the peak period of COVID. Therefore, I really appreciate the current management, especially the director, Dr. Santa Singh, and all staff of RIMS for taking initiative for the welfare of the emerging professionals. In fact, RIMS Nurses Association has expressed their gratitude to him for the constant support and encouragement he has been rendering to the doctors, nurses and attendants. Some of the significant initiatives like providing the vaccine against COVID-19 and allowing nurse to quarantine after their duty has been highly appreciated by all. I would like to make an appeal to the doctors, nurses and young medical students to take advantage of the health revolution that this government has provided. working hand in hand with institutions like the RIMS to seize the opportunities that have been given to you, work as hard as you can, dream big dreams, reach for the stars. In the words of Dr. Abdul Kalam, a dream is not one that which you see in your sleep. It is something that does not let you not to sleep. When I say dreams, big dreams, it is no longer enough just to lend your own position for your own needs and the needs of your profession. We need to move in the right direction of larger scale, producing good doctors, and that means acquiring new skills as you move through your studies. I urge all the staff members to attempt to make all efforts to ensure that all the best possible chance of success of the students in their future endeavors. My dear young students, again I say, work hard, seek the best possible advice from your teachers, the word of knowledge about health, and give yourself the best possible shot at success. My blessings are all with you, always with you.
Sir, you have inspired us with your address, and we definitely look forward to your guidance for our further development of this institute. Thank you for your kind words for the students, and we also take His Excellency's words that we should all dream big, work hard, and to make these dreams even bigger and bigger. I also would like to thank our director for his able leadership. Sir, we all know RIMS is growing under your guidance. We all have, you have our wholehearted support, and we'll all work hard that RIMS achieves bigger dreams.